Permutations means arranging the given terms in different positions by taking all at a time, and whereas comes to combinations, it selecting the given data in different manner by taking all at a time. If in the question there will, if we see arrange, rearrange, permute, they all belongs to permutations only. And if in the questions they will be asked select, selection, combine, that all belongs to combinations. We have formula for permutations and it is represented by NPR. The formula for permutations is n factorial by n minus r factorial, and the formula for combination is represented as NCR. It is the formula for combination is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. If r is equal to n, in place of r we have to keep n. In this permutations we get n factorial. If we keep r is equal to n in combinations, we get 0 factorial means 1 factorial. 0 factorial and 1 factorial both value is 1 in combinations and also in permutations. If both n value and r value will be equal, then there will be n factorial in permutations, whereas compared to combinations there will be, if n and r values will be equal, there will be 1, only 1 is the value of NCN in combinations. I am telling the simple formula for permutations and combinations. Means if they asked NPR, we have to take n into n minus 1, n minus 2, so on r terms. Whereas compared in combinations, there will be NPR by r factorial. We already know what is NPR, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into r terms. We have to take r terms up to r terms. Means if they asked 2, r is equal to 2, then we have to take n into n minus 1. We also have circular permutations. In circular permutations, the formula for circular is n into n minus 1 factorial. When if they asked beads, garland, bouquets, there will be formula n minus 1 factorial by 2 factorial. In circle there will be clockwise and anti-clockwise directions, so we have to take 2 factorial. They also ask questions in how many ways can letter of following words can be rearranged. I am taking word lemon. In word lemon there are 5 alphabets, so there will be 5 factorial. We already know 5 factorial means 120. Whereas in partner there are 5 words alphabets, but alphabet A is repeating. So we have to, if any alphabet is repeating, then we have to take 5 factorial by the count of repeating value alphabet. They also ask questions like in how many ways can be the 7 letter M, N, O, P, Q, R, S be arranged so that P and Q occupy continuous position. They asked in question P and Q occupy continuous position, means P and Q value is 1. So there are 5 alphabets left, so the 5 will be 5, and in the question they already said P and Q occupies the continuous position, so the value of P and Q is 1. If we add this both, we get 6 factorial, and we have to take the count of P and Q, so we get 2 factorial. In question they also ask sometimes in how many ways can 12 paper can be rearranged if best and worst case paper can never come together. Means we have to think that we already have 12 papers be rearranged. so we have to take 12 factorial. And we have best and worst paper, so we have to take best and worst paper as one, so there will be 11 factorial. And we have to take best and worst paper different, so we have 2 factorial. We have to subtract 11 factorial into 2 factorial from 12 factorial, we will get the answer. And there will be simple formula for this type of question, means total minus together. In this question we have total 12 papers, so we have taken 12 factorial, and together we have best and worst case paper, so we have 2 factorial. We have to take best and worst case as 1, so we have 11 factorial. In this way we can solve the questions when they asked together, like total and together. They also ask in sometimes questions like in how many ways different words can be formed using letter of words orange such that first letter is O and last letter is green. In the word orange there are 6 alphabets, so they asked first letter is orange and last letter is green, so we have left 4 alphabets, so we have to take 4 factorial. In this way we can solve the question when they ask like this. Now we are solving the problems of combinations. Up to now we have solved the problems of permutations. Now we are solving the problems of combinations. What is the combination? We are already discussed earlier. If in the question there will be the word select, selection, combine, we have to consider it as combinations. In the given question there will be the word combination, so the respective question belongs to combinations only. In the question, let's solve this question. What is the combination of 3 balloons from packet of 25 balloons? So we have to write 25 C3 because it is combination, so we have to take C. We already have the simple formula of combinations is this: NCR is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 so on r times by r factorial. So we have to take the formula. By using that formula we can solve the question and answer very easily within less time, because in the competitive exams they will given only 1 minute for solve each question. So this formula will be helpful to everyone to solve this. In this we already discussed earlier the formula of the NCR. In this the r value is 3, so we have to take 3 terms by r factorial. By solve this we get the answer 2300. By this way we can solve the answers when the question belongs to combinations. This question is most important and very repeated in the competitive exams, so please listen carefully this question. They asked the question: out of 5 boys and 5 girls, a group of 5 has to be formed containing at least 3 boys. How many ways this be done? We already discussed when the words like combination, select, selection and containing, we have to use the formula of combinations. They asked 5 boys and 5 girls, and the group will be formed for about 5 members and containing at least 3 boys, means majority is for boys only. So they asked 3 boys, so we have to start from 5C3 into 5C2. We have for a group of 5 members we have taken 3 boys and left there are 2 members left. There are two places left. This is for girls, so we have to start with the condition they given. So we have started 5C3 into 5C2. We have to repeat this until we get the 5 boys. So 5C4 into remaining 1 girl and 5C5 into 5C0. We can solve this, we get the answer. This is very important question when compared to previous question, and it is very tricky and confusing, and so that's why it will be asked, this model of question will be asked repeatedly. In the question they asked, for example, if the letters of the word chasm are rearranged to form 5 letters words such that none of the word repeat and result arranged in ascending order as in dictionary, what is the rank of the word chasm? We have to arrange the word chasm in dictionary order, that is in alphabetical order. So we are arranging the word chasm ACHMS. We have to take the first alphabet A, and we have to compare the alphabet with the word chasm, because they asked the rank of the word chasm, so that we have to compare the alphabet with the word chasm. We have to remove this word A, we get the 4 alphabets, so we have to take 4 factorial. After that we have to take ACH, and we have to compare the ACH after that we have to take CH and compare with the word chasm. There will be 3 alphabets left, so that we are taking 3 factorial. After that we have to take the combination of 4 alphabets, and we have to compare the remaining with the word chasm. We get 1 factorial, and we have to take the combination of the whole alphabetical order with the word chasm. We get 0 factorial, means no word will be left. We already know 4 factorial means 24, 3 factorial means 6, and 1 factorial means 1, and 0 factorial means 1. We have to add this 4, we get 32. The 32 is the answer of the question. In this way we can solve the answers when the question will be like this. In the description I am providing the link of indiabix.com. In this indiabix.com there will be more question and answers to practice aptitude questions, and will be more we will gain more knowledge about these problems, and there will be formulas, important formulas in this indiabix.com. I am providing the website link in description. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.